Today, I'll show you how to check PayPal account number. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Now, before looking for an account number, there is one important thing to understand. PayPal does not usually work like a bank account with a normal account number. According to PayPal's Help Center, your PayPal account is not identified by an account number or account ID. It is identified by the email address or mobile number you use to log in. So, if someone asks for your PayPal account number to send you money, they usually need your confirmed PayPal email address or mobile number instead. To check your PayPal email address in the app, tap your profile icon. Then open Account Info, Personal Info, or Login and Security, depending on what appears in your version. Look for your registered email address. Make sure the email is confirmed. If it is not confirmed, PayPal may ask you to confirm it before you can receive payments properly. You can also check your mobile number from the same profile or account settings area. If your mobile number is linked and confirmed, people may be able to send money to that number through PayPal. If you are using PayPal on a computer, sign in and go to Settings. This is usually the gear icon near the top right corner. Under your profile details, check your email address and phone number. Use the correct confirmed email or mobile number when someone asks where to send money. If you have more than one email address on PayPal, choose the one that is confirmed and connected to your account. Do not share your PayPal password, one-time code, bank details, or security answers with anyone. Your email address or mobile number can be shared for receiving payments, but your login and security codes should stay private. Also, be careful with websites or messages claiming they can show your PayPal account number. Since PayPal says accounts are identified by email or mobile number, those sites may be outdated or unsafe. So, to keep it simple, PayPal does not normally have a public account number. To receive money, check your confirmed PayPal email address or mobile number in your account settings and share that with the sender. And that's how you check PayPal account number. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.